Unable to delete or edit photos on your Canon camera because they're protected? That's because they're locked. To make changes, you'll need to unprotect the image. In this video, I'll walk you through how to unprotect any photo on your Canon camera. Let's unprotect those images right now. Method 1. Using playback button. First, turn on your camera, then press the playback button to view the photo. Then find the photo you want to unprotect. After that, press on the Q button. On the top left, you'll get the protect option. Make sure to select this option, then select disable. Now press the set button to unprotect this picture. Method 2. Using the menu option. Turn on your camera. After that, press the menu button. Next, go to the playback icon 1. Now make sure to select the protect image. Now look at the bottom. Here you will see the unprotect all images on card. Select this option. Then press the set button. Next, select OK. Now again, press the set button. And here are all your images unprotected. And that's a wrap. Now you know how to remove protection from any image on your Canon camera. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in.